times have you caught yourself saying this in business? This business is for anybody. Or how about, well, as long as you have skin and hair, this business is for you. Guilty as charged. But in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly why that is actually false and how to find your niche if you are in network marketing. So let's just start with why should you even niche down? Well, when you are speaking so broadly, when you're speaking to everybody, you're actually speaking to nobody. So if you want to elicit a reaction and create that curiosity and have people actually reaching out and asking more about what it is that you do and how to get started, then you need to niche down. This categorizes people. And in fact, now your content is really helping people, providing solutions for this specific person where they're going to be sitting there thinking that you made that post directly for them and that this content is made right for this type of person. And they're going to have the response like, how did she know this about me? How did she know that I was struggling with this? And that reaction will actually elicit a response where they're going to reach out to you and ask you about how to get started in business. So if you want those type of reactions and those responses, if you want to create that curiosity and have people actually reaching out to you, well, just keep watching this video because I'm going to show you right here how you can find your unique niche. Welcome back, guys. Katelyn Redding here, and I am the founder of Stop the Scroll, which is a free community of modern social sellers who are really looking to grow and scale their business using the powerful tool of social media. So if you are looking to, one, grow your business and to promote in your own network marketing company, well, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button right over there, because right here on this channel I'm going to teach you how you can expand your reach and get seen by the masses on social media, using social media, so that people are actually asking you and are intrigued about what it is that you do. So perhaps you've already started the process of niching down and came up with a niche that you actually do love and that you're using for your social media. But I just want to share with you the number one mistake that I find happening or people are coming up within their niche is they're creating a niche that is related to the majority of the people that are currently partnered with them in business, rather than a niche that is full of their dream clients and dream business partners. Finding your niche is actually the first thing that I do with all of my clients, because once you come up with your niche, your next step is actually to set up your bio and make sure that's nice and slick. And then it is creating the content and creating the sales or the funnel around your social media. Now, once you have nailed your niche and you have managed to pick out the perfect niche for you, seriously, I don't joke, your content will literally be pouring out of you. In fact, that is a way to know that you have identified or you have picked the perfect niche for you. In fact, right now over in the Stop the Scroll Facebook group, I am literally teaching this right now, where I'm actually teaching you how to set up your Instagram, create that slick bio, find that niche, and teaching you step by step how exactly that is done so that it funnels more people and prospects into your business. So it's not too late to join. If you want to take part in that challenge, just simply go to the description below this video and just ask to join the group. It's all over there for you to consume for absolutely free. So if you are ready to up-level your own Instagram, then all I want you to do is actually just type yes in the comments below so that I know if you're sitting there waiting to up-level your Instagram and really start funneling people into your business. Now, I have already talked about niching down in a prior video, so if you want to go check out that video, just go over there and I work you through the process of not only why niching down is so important and how it's going to actually grow your business and how you're going to promote by niching down. So just go watch that video over there and I walk you through your ideal clients and all those things. But in this video, I want to share with you how I go through this process of finding your niche with all of my clients. So the main question that I always ask my clients is, if you were to use social media to teach, to advocate, to really inspire or entertain people online, what would that be for? What is that reason or voice that you want to use to share something on social media? Now, don't automatically go thinking to your company, your products, and all those kinds of things. I want this to, you kind of have to peel yourself away from your company for a bit when you're really finding your niche. I do walk through with each of my clients how to, unpeel yourself from your company first, and then how we'll peel that back together and how it will really work to grow and scale your business. So we have to go right back to the start. Why did you start your business? What is it that really lit you up inside and realized that, yes, I need to start this business? When you first heard the opportunity, what was it when you saw this business being a vehicle for you to achieve? Now, we all start for financial and time reasons. So outside of that, you have to kind of peel back this onion to really find what is it that you started to daydream about. What did your life look like when you first heard that business opportunity? What was that you were envisioning? We often tell people, especially in this industry, that you can use this business as a vehicle to achieve the whatever you want out of your life. So when you think about that vehicle, what is it for you? Now, some other work that you can do to really find what your niche is what is just something about you. Let's go through your personality traits. What is quirky about you? What's your sense of humor? What is something fun that nobody else really knows about you? And that's really going to be your voice or your tone that you're using on social media within your niche. Now, another way to identify what your niche is what is it that you're passionate about? Yes, we're all passionate about the products or our product philosophy, but outside of that, what are the things that you're super passionate about? What are the things that you wish, if, time and money were absolutely no issue, you would go out and you would achieve in your life? For me, to give you an example, it was YouTube. I really wanted to start a YouTube channel. In fact, I sat on the idea of starting a YouTube channel for 12 years. And when I first heard the opportunity that was presented to me in a network marketing business, the first thing I thought of was this was how I could start my YouTube channel. But to share with you guys the little story, the back end is I spent 4 years in my business, building the business, following the copycat system, doing the duplication. And what really started to happen is I felt very out of love with the business, and it was hard for me to show up day after day. And I started to justify the way my business was going. And really, honestly, looking at this at a way of, is this what I want to do? And that is at that point when I realized it's because I started this business for something else and I didn't let it do that. And so that's when I got in my vehicle and actually started to grow my business. I started my YouTube channel. I started implementing online business strategies, passive success strategies into my network marketing business. And that's when everything really took off. Why? Because I started to do something that I was passionate about. I started to use this business as the vehicle to do what it is that I always wanted to do. And the last thing is I felt like I was making my dreams a reality. And that felt so good. And that provided me with the endless energy I needed to show up day after day and complete and continue growing my business. Now, so you have to sit with yourself here to understand how to really find out this niche, because you really need to get to understand and, like I said, peel back those layers of you and your story. So what I always recommend people do is go and enter that space, whether for you it's meditating in a quiet room. Perhaps for you, you think the best in the shower, or maybe while you're driving, something where the gears in your brains just do not stop and you feel so inspired. Find yourself, go to that place. Now, I don't recommend that you do this while you're driving, because I actually want you to write some of these things down. I want you to actually fill and write out all of these things that I mentioned in this video and just let the pen flow and just continue the thoughts, because as you really bring that out inside, you'll start to identify what your niche is and who those people are within your niche. A lot of the times, those people within the niche look a lot like you, and in fact, Most of them, they probably should, because you know you the best. And how many times have you said, if I could only sponsor another one of me, right? So like I mentioned already, the way that you know that you have found your unique niche is that you should feel really on fire, very passionate, really lit up and ready to, like almost like an Energizer bunny, where you're just ready to put so much work and effort into your business. That is how you can identify that you have picked out that perfect niche. So yes, that content will literally just pour out of you because you have so many ideas floating around in your head, and it's like the brain, the gears just do not turn off. That is how you know you have found your niche. So I kind of already talked a little bit about this, but finding that ideal client and that ideal business partner within your niche is truly your next step. You have to get so clear and so precise on exactly who that person is. So if you want to learn how to identify and what are some tips and tools, resources that I provide my members and my clients to figure out who their ideal client is, well, just go and ask to join the Facebook group, because right over there is all the resources that I provide for you to help you identify who your ideal client avatar is and ideal business partners. So just go ask to join the group. Again, the description to join is just below this group. Right now, we have a 5-day challenge, absolutely free, where I give you so much information, and we really are there to set up shop, to set up your Instagram, get your bio perfected so that it funnels people into your business and get them asking about what it is that you do and how do I sign up. So if you want that in your business, which I know you do because you're watching this video right now, then just go down again, ask to join the group. Now, if you found this video helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Go comment below what was your favorite takeaway. And if you want to learn more about how you can expand your reach and get seen and be that credible source online so people are actually asking to join you in business, well, just subscribe to that channel, because right here, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. In fact, hit that notification bell because I post a new video every Sunday. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.